Hello everyone. Hey, I'm in my car. A little bit of a different video today. I just wanted to record this video because I'm leaving the post office. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm just leaving the post office and I picked up my mail, which is here. If you guys can see that. This is the mail that I received. Okay. And Friday, I had a $5,000 day with Impact Mailing Club. That has never happened to me. So I started to think about what was different between this program and the other programs that I've been in the past, and that will allow me to have a $5,000 day. I'm going to be actually doing a live video on YouTube about that day, which was last Friday. Hey, Mona. Hey, Skip. Hey, Barbara. Thanks for joining me. Hey, Hope. So I was really thinking about what is key to this, and I'm going to discuss this on tomorrow's webinar. But not only that, I'm going to open these live for you guys probably tomorrow. But I wanted to go over what's the difference between this program and other direct mail programs that I've been in, where I have made a full-time income, but it hasn't been this quickly, and not only that, so consistent. So what I was thinking is about duplication, and in order to start to receive ongoing payments, it has to be something easy for people to duplicate, so you don't have to work as hard. If other people get paid, you'll continue to get paid, and that's what's actually happening with this program. Hey, Annie. Hey, Dexter. Hey, William. Thanks for tuning in. So if everybody can see this tomorrow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open these up for you guys, and I'm going to discuss duplication, because duplication is key to success online, offline. And not only that, if other people are getting results in the program that you're in, you'll keep getting results. That's with this particular program. That's the way it works. So you want to have your team be able to duplicate what it is that you're doing, and in return, you'll consistently start to make more money. So I'm just excited. I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 envelopes that came from Impact Mailing Club. And what I'm doing is I'm setting up my team for success, making sure that I meet with them one-on-one. They know everything that they need to do, exactly what I'm doing, how to duplicate. And in return, of course, when you help people, you give them value, you help them get started, you'll start to actually benefit even more. I've gotten this many envelopes before, but to have a $5,000 day on Friday and then turn around to this on Tuesday, I feel completely blessed. I don't know how else to feel, but to feel blessed. I feel extremely humble, and I want to also say thank you to all the people that decided to join this great opportunity. We're about to take this. It's about to get ballistic for September, because for September and October is when it's a really busy year. Hey, Brandy. Hey, Tim, for offline and online marketers. So we're about to turn this up a notch, but I'm going to definitely put the webinar link for tomorrow, and we're going to discuss and go over what's necessary for offline success. We're going to start training people, and not only that, discussing what duplication actually really means and what it looks like, because I think that's important as well. Hey, Derek, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Kevin. So I'm extremely excited. 19 envelopes to open after having a $5,000 day on Friday, all through direct mail marketing. Hey, Tony. So I just want to say thanks for everybody that joined. I will be going over that and welcoming everyone tomorrow. I have a busy day today. Today was the first day of school for one of my children. So I'm excited for her. and she's happy to be there. But today was absolutely busy. It's like a Monday for me. But again, guys, $5,000 day Friday, 19 envelopes to open up tomorrow, and much success to my team. I'm so happy I finally found something that is easy for anyone to duplicate and get started with and start actually earning consistently. So, hey, Cassandra. So I'm going to go ahead and end this with stay inspired, stay blessed. Please try to get on the webinar tomorrow. It's going to be 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will have the Zoom link in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, Skip. Have a good day, guys. Have a good day and stay blessed.